Most iOS users prefer to back up iPhone photos to iTunes because they are not sure whether iCloud can back up photos. So, does iCloud backup include photos? To find out the answer to this question, keep watching below. Part 1. Does iCloud backup include photos? Can iCloud back up photos? In fact, as long as you turn on iCloud backup, it will automatically start backing up the data on your device as soon as it is connected to power and Wi-Fi. Part 2. What is included and not included in iCloud backups? Device settings, photos and videos, application data, iTunes and App Store purchases, health data, HomeKit data, Apple Watch backup. Part 3. How does iCloud backup work? To activate iCloud backup feature, go to Settings, click Your Name, click iCloud. Click iCloud Backup. If you're running iOS 10.2 or earlier, just navigate to Settings iCloud Backup. Part 4. How do I know if my photos have been backed up to iCloud? Open Settings on your iPad or iPhone. Tap iCloud. Enable iCloud Photo Library. Look for the green check mark to confirm iCloud is backing up your photos, or a red X if it's not. Method 2. You can check your iCloud storage usage. Go to Settings, tap on your name Apple ID banner. Select iCloud, tap on Manage Storage, or Manage Storage and Backup. If the storage space on iCloud is full, your photos will not be backed up to iCloud. Part 5. Try an alternative to iCloud for easy photo backup. We recommend you Mobikin Assistant for iOS. It is the best iCloud alternative, which not only allows you to back up and restore iPhone or iPad completely or selectively, but also helps you manage iOS data on your computer easily. How to back up iPhone photos with Assistant for iOS. Connect your iPhone to your PC using a USB cable and open Assistant for iOS. Tap Trust on your iPhone to allow the connection. Navigate to the Photos folder and select the photos you want to back up. Click Export to start backing up your iPhone photos to your PC or Mac.